The MLB All-Star Game was last week, and we wanted to do something fun with the players. So we gave a bunch of them weird phrases and asked them to sneak those phrases into their interviews as casually as possible. No one knew that we were doing this. Here, check it out. It's time for Drop It In.
Drop it in, drop it in, drop it in.
These are my basics. This is what I need to do, and you can draw back on it. It's like they say, even a hungry turtle can do a jumping jack.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Is it possible to have too many power hitters?
No, I don't think it's possible to have too many power hitters. We're the Yankees. You don't ask the milkman for steak.
Well, came down to last night. I was scrambling, and then I just thought to myself, sometimes you got to dance with the pants you wore to prom. So,
What's it like to prepare for your next start with this backdrop in this historic ballpark?
Yeah, it's great. Sometimes when the pencil breaks, though, you just got to scribble with a nibble.
There's this overarching message, and it doesn't matter how much jelly you have in the jar, it's about how you spread it on your English muffin.
A lot of great years going on, but I think Rookie of the Year is Michael Chavis. Cookie of the Year, chocolate chip.
I feel really proud for play with CC. I'm super excited. It's like a driver-washer combo.
You got the supermodel wife. Hey, what's the secret? You got to tell the youngster how to do it.
No secret. I recently watched the movie Fever Pitch. It still holds up. So, I mean, love, baseball, all of that.
Yes! That fanny pack! Those were great. Thank you to the players. Justin, thank you for that. Thanks to MLB. We love you, MLB.
On and on and on. I said, and it's on and on and on.